Joyce, and this week we're celebrating Halloween. So first, let me get my magic wand, and there's something missing. There's my witch's hat. Since it's our Halloween week, we'll be creating our witch's magic potion. We'll also be making our vegetable jack-o'-lantern. And last but not the least, we'll be playing with our spooky projector. So come on and join Purple Joyce as we explore our Halloween week. So now that I have my witch's hat and my magic wand, it's time for us to make our magic potion.
We're gonna need vinegar, baking soda, liquid soap, food coloring, and glitter or sequins or both. Let's add some food coloring into the vinegar. We can also add another color to the liquid soap. These are all optional. I just think that it makes our potion more magical. Let's sprinkle some glitter into our container. We can pretend that these are some weird and magical ingredients, like fairy dust, eye of newt, or even frog eggs. Next, let's add the liquid soap. Add in our baking soda. Now slowly pour in our vinegar and watch as our magic potion starts to brew. We can keep adding glitter and shiny beads and sequins and watch as the brewing potion spills out of our cauldron. I hosted last year's Halloween party, and here are some kids having fun creating their own magic potion.
For this week's artwork, we'll be making our jack-o'-lantern, but we'll be using several pieces of vegetables in painting our own jack-o'-lantern.
I used bitter melon and eggplant stems. I also used half a potato. And of course, we need some finger paint. Since we're painting a pumpkin, I'm using orange, green, and black paint. Let's start with the white paper. This painting technique that we are using today is called printing. If the potato half is too big for kids to hold, we can poke a popsicle stick so kids can have a small handle. I'm drawing the pumpkin stalk using my finger, but kids can always use other vegetables as a painting tool. We can also use black paper, and we can compare how the colors look when painted on white versus black paper.
our imagination as we make our spooky projector. We'll be telling ghost stories and creepy creature stories later on. Let's begin.
I've cut out some simple Halloween themed shapes from thick cardboard boxes, and we'll also need a flashlight for this game. I've prepared cat, moon, bat, witch's hat, pumpkin, and ghost shapes. We can let kids tell us a story using their own cutouts. It will be a fun way to encourage them to talk and will also help enhance their imagination.
Halloween is my favorite holiday of all time. I hope that you enjoyed our Halloween week. This is your friend Joyce signing off for now. See you next time. Bye! Happy Halloween!